Hey there guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the Ringke Air S case, and this one is for the iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. And this one is available in a couple of different colors. So this comes in black, lavender gray, pink sand, and red. I have the red here today, and this one is $12.99, and you can buy this on their website as well as on Amazon. So really cool, and I do want to thank Ringke for sending this out to me to review for you guys. So let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox it real quick here, or unbag it. On the front here, you get the Ringke branding. We do have that military grade protection information, ultimate experience. So I really like their simple packages. So as it says on here, it's an eco package, environmentally friendly with minimal use of Earth's resources. So really cool. And let's go ahead and take it out here and take a look. Well, I apparently don't know how to open things. So this is kind of a rubbery TPU kind of case, and it says on the website that it's not compatible with pop sockets and that kind of thing. So because it's more of a kind of softer material, so you may not want to use this if you have a pop socket or if you use like the ring kind of thing on the back of your phone, because you won't be able to stick anything to it. So if you have a pop socket, you may want to look at something else. Let's see, ultimate experience. All right, so this is a pretty basic case, but really nice. So as I said, it comes in those different colors. You do have kind of a textured lining on the inside here. This is really thin, really nice. Still pretty rigid. Yeah, you can go around it, still pretty rigid here. And it's meant to be thin and meant to show off the profile of the phone. So as you can see, it's pretty basic, but we do have the Ringke branding right there. So let's go ahead and put the phone in here. All right, and so great thing about this here is you do have a lip around the front, or around the edge of the phone on the front. So it's especially more noticeable on the top and the bottom, so it's not really in the way of the sides of the phone where you'd be using the screen, but it does give you a little bit of face down protection right there. So really nice. And this will not interfere with your screen protector or anything like that, and also won't interfere with wireless charging. So really nice. So as I said, it has this nice lifted edge around the edge of the phone, and if you can, hopefully you can see that, it's only predominantly bigger on the top and bottom of the phone. So around the middle area where the screen is, you're not gonna have any issues with hitting the edge of the phone or anything like that. So as you can see on the edge here, we do have perfect cutouts for our buttons. You do have these little air pockets basically on each side where it's cut out. So you have perfect clicks for your keys. Clicks really nicely, no issues there. Nice cutout for our silent switch right there. On the bottom here, we have our cutouts for our lightning, speaker, and microphone, and those look just fine right there. On the other side, we do have the power key, and that one also has two little cutouts in it, so that you have nice clicky feel right there. Now, you may be wondering what these are on either side. So you have two little areas right there with little holes. So Ringke also sells lanyards, and if you like to actually like have your phone around your neck, or if you like to hold your phone, you know, on a lanyard, that kind of thing. If you go hiking or you know, do stuff outside and you don't want to put it in your pocket, or you don't have a pocket, you can use a lanyard. So they sell these also, and you would just put this on around the little loop right there on either side, whichever you prefer, and you would just put that on before you put this on the case, obviously, or put this on the phone, obviously, and then you could just carry it around with you like that. On the back here, we do have a nice perfect cutout for our camera there, and as you can see, we have good protection. So the camera's not jutting out or anything. You actually do have protection around the camera, so it won't hit anything if you put it down. You're not gonna hurt the camera. I will say I really like this color. This is a really nice red. So when I first saw it in the package, I thought it might be pink, but it's actually red. I think that the package kind of distorted it just a little bit, because it's kind of this opaque case right there. But it's a really nice red, and I will definitely show what the other colors look like that are available. So really nice. feels nice in the hand. I'm sure you guys have heard that a couple times. But anyway, yeah. And it's actually a really thin case, so you definitely get to appreciate the design of the iPhone. And like I said, this is for the iPhone 8 or SE. I think it will still fit the 7, but they designate this as for the 8 and the SE because those are pretty much the same design. So anyway, so that's a quick look at the Air S case, and this is from Ringke. So again, $12.99, comes in 4 different colors, available on their website as well as on Amazon if you want to check them out there. And definitely appreciate them sending this out to me to review for you guys. So if you do like this case, I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to check it out. And anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next video.